Welcome back students. In this short session we will be doing the problem based on what? Reflection. So you have learned recently the plane mirror and reflection due to what? Curved mirror, which were convex and concave. We will be doing problems mainly on those. So before I go into the problem, I just want to remind once more the main summary of this. Okay. So when you have two type of mirrors, one is called concave, right? One is called convex. So understand, concave mirror can make both type of image. It can make real image, it can make virtual also. It can make real image. Real image means your magnification is what? M is called what? In negative in nature, right? Because when you are making a real image, your M is always negative, right? And what size it can make? It can make all size, can make point size, small size, equal size, and what larger than what object. So it can make what? All sizes, right? Once more. Yes. Concave mirror can make real images, yes, and all sizes. It can make smaller than the object, equal to the height, like the size of the object, and what even larger than the object, right? So means your magnification, this value which is negative always, first it can be like less than 1, equal to 1, or more than 1 in magnitude. Okay, yes. Then it can make virtual images also. Yes, it can make, means your M is what? Positive. Yes, M can be positive, but virtual image it make is always what? Larger in size, right? Larger than what? Object size. So what? Always what? Larger. It cannot make small, means your M is always what? Like more than what? Plus 1 in magnitude. Correct na? Negative it can make all types. Like M can be like equal to -1. I am telling you. So M can be what? -1 in magnitude. Yes. M can be what? More than what? -1 in magnitude. M can be what? Less than what? -1 in magnitude. Yes. All possible in case of real, but virtual makes only what? Big image only, right? Larger than the object. While your convex mirror makes always what? Virtual only. Virtual means M is what? Here also positive, but it makes always what? Small images, right? Now smaller. So it makes small in size always. Okay. So M you want greater than 1 positive. That's only one way is what? Concave mirror, right? Now, but convex makes only what? Virtual and what? Small in size always. Okay. This is the main summary. Okay. Let's do problem now. Okay. Your question number 1 in your worksheet. If you don't have worksheet, there is a link given in the description of this video. Please download the worksheet. Okay. Take in your hand, then proceed. Okay. Question number 1. An object is placed between the two plane mirrors inclined at 30 degrees to each other. How many images will be formed? This is based on what? Plane mirror. Two mirrors are placed at what? 30 degrees to each other. They are saying how many images they will make. So you have number of images simply given by this formula 360 by theta minus 1, plus you have to understand here three conditions. Depending upon 360 by theta is an even number or odd number, right? So first let's check. When you put here 360 by theta means 30 degrees, right? Is coming what? 12. Correct. Okay, 12 coming. 12 is what? An even number. So what's the rule for even number? If this number is even, then what is the answer? This is the only answer, right? Means like 12 minus 1 means what? 11 number of the images will be formed. Suppose this number comes what? Odd number, then again you have two possibilities. What two possibilities? Either the object is placed symmetrically to the mirror or unsymmetrically, right? Symmetrically means again answer is what? Same. Or not placed symmetrically, then answer is what? Just 360 by theta alone, right? Hope you understand this nicely. Okay. So let's move on to the second problem. So in this question they are saying the focal length of a concave mirror. First highlight that what mirror is given to you? Concave mirror, right? This type of mirror is given to us. And so the focal length is given is 30 centimeter. Find the position of the object in the front of the mirror so that the image is 3 times size of the object. What is given to you? Focal length given. Okay. Focal length is how much given? 30 centimeter. Then you have to put here sign convention also. We will put in when you do calculations. Okay, we'll write 30 only. Okay. So they're saying find the position of the object means you have to find. We found, and what is given to you? Listen carefully. They said that the size of the image is 3 times of the object. M is given to you. What is given? M given. But they did not say that this image is real or virtual, because this mirror can make both type of image, right? And 3 times means the image is given bigger than object. Yes, it can make virtual image which is always bigger than the object. So it can make a virtual image also, it can make a real image also, right? So for this question we have to answer, there will be 2 answers, right? Not only one answer. because concave mirror, and they said image is what 3 times means bigger than object. It means there are two possibilities, either it will make a real image, then also it can become 3 times, virtual image, then also it can become what 3 times. So let's do one by one. So first I am writing like case 1. Suppose make a real image. We saying that suppose this mirror is making what real image, correct? Then your magnification m will be called what -3, right? Real means what? Magnification is negative and it's already given to us 3 times of the object size, right? Yeah. Now look here, focal length given to us, magnification given, u given, right? Generally we solve all question writing by this equation f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, then you have to put sign convention right now. But what is important here, like magnification is given directly you, so instead of writing these equations you try to write magnification format, because I told you magnification you can write many ways. Look here what ways we can write. M you can write simply h I by h naught, this is one way, right? Then you can also write like minus v by u, suppose v and u is given to you, you can write this formula. Then you can write in terms of like focal length and object distance, focal length and what image distance, remember? Yeah, so in that format also you can write. So in that format what you will get, like you write in object distance format, then f by f minus u, can also write f minus v by f. These are the all format, right? So see here, instead of writing this complete equation, mirror equation, you should write it start from what? Magnification formula, like focal length is given to you, object distance you need, and magnification given. So directly you can write this equation, right? So you will write here m will be equal to what? F minus u. Now what you have to do, you have to put sign convention. When you putting the values with sign you have to put. So look here, magnification is given negative. Why? Because talking real image. So m is given -3. Focal length is already given to you, and focal length is positive or negative. They said what they said in question. They said object is placed in the front of mirror. You know that this is your concave mirror, right? Object is placed here, so rays go like that way, right? So focal length for this mirror is what? Negative, because going against the direction of light, right? So focal length is negative, so that will be what? -30. So put here -30 divided by -30, and object distance we are trying to find. Whatever you want to find, you don't put sign convention for that, right? Here you are finding object distance, so we don't put sign convention for object. There's a normal formula, I am writing like -u only, right? That will come in answer whether object distance is negative or positive. Okay, let's see. So let's cancel these terms. Okay, so this negative you can cancel. Okay, this goes -90, right, is what? -3u. This is negative, this is also negative. I cancel these two negative, be careful. Okay, okay, is equal to what? +30, correct? Okay, so 3u come this side positive, and this goes become -120. So you see that u becomes what? -120 by 3, that become -40 centimeter. Minus, your answer is coming negative, means object should be placed in the front of the mirror, object should be placed on the same side here, right? So that object distance is what? Negative. So one possibility, right? Now this is one answer when we are assuming that this mirror is making a real image, right? Hope you understood. Suppose you don't want to write this directly equation, you want to use this equation, then you have to replace here. What do you have to replace? We finding like, okay, f we know, yes we know, u you are trying to find, yes, v also unknown, so v you can replace from magnitude, like m is equal to what? -v by u, v will equal to what? Like -m into u, correct? That you can replace here. So this answer comes in terms of f and u, but this is a difficult procedure. Simple is what? Directly when f and u or f and v, these relations are given, directly you can use magnification formula. Okay, okay. Now what we do, suppose this mirror is making virtual image. As I said, this type of mirror can make what? A real image, virtual, and they already said that image is what? Larger than the object. Magnification is given more than 1. So yes, this can make. So now look here, what will happen? Focal length remains same, f is 30 centimeter only. Now magnification will change. They said image is what? 3 times larger. So magnification is given 3, but it's a virtual image. So magnification what? +3, +3. Real means what? I took -3, right? Now we do same calculations again. So we write same formula again. This formula only, m is equal to this much. So m is equal to f upon what? F minus u. Magnification is positive, +3. Yes, +3. Focal length is what? Negative, -30, -30, and -u. Correct? U we finding. Okay, now this time what happens, let's do multiplication. So you will get minus 90 and minus 3u is equal to minus 30, correct? Yes. So now minus 30 goes that side, so 3u is equal to what we are getting, minus 60, or u we are getting is what, minus 20. So this time object distance is coming what, 20 centimeter, again is coming what, negative only, right? Now it's coming negative, means again object is placed on this side only, right? Yes, in front of the mirror it has placed, right? Okay, so these are two possibilities when you talk like what, your concave mirror. And what is, suppose they said same question, they say like this one, that we making a concave mirror is there and making image which is what, like half of the size of the object, half of the size of the object, then this case is not possible, because half means smaller image make is always a real image only, right? Now yes, so this case you don't have to write, because here in this question they said that image size 3 times of the object, so it can be real also, it can be virtual also, right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so next question is based on what, your longitudinal magnification. Hope you remember longitudinal magnification, that like what is linear and transverse. When object is placed perpendicular to what, your principal axis, object is placed like this one, this is called what, linear or transverse magnification. But object is placed like this way along the principal axis, then this is called your longitudinal magnification, right? Now so I discussed in the previous lecture how you find magnification here, like v2 minus v1 upon u2 minus u1, their magnitude, right? Okay, so question number 3 they said what, let's discuss it here. A thin rod of length f by 3 is placed along the principal axis of a concave mirror given of focal length f, such that image which is real and elongated just touches one end of the rod, correct? Now what is the magnification? So I told you already that when object is touching this image, that happens when object is like placed at what, 2f, right? Now okay, now understand here, first which mirror is given here, concave mirror given. Let's draw a concave mirror. This is your concave mirror. Let's write, suppose this is your focal length f and this we call what, 2f, correct? So they said image is what, yes, image is just touches one end of the rod. Okay, how we should put rod so that image is touching the rod? That happens that one end is when you put, like suppose this type of object, when it's transverse object, then you can put just here only, but it's placed longitudinal, right? Now so suppose you have a rod and place like this, I suppose this is a rod, I'm drawing this is a rod, okay, place. So this rod image will be formed here, this point is called 2f, I'm writing here, okay. Image will form like this way, elongated image is formed like this way, is touching, one end is touching the your object itself, this is what your image, like pen is placed here and image is formed like what, here down, right? Okay, now what is given to you, length of this image object is given, object length given is given f by 3, yes, correct only, no? Yes, f by 3 given, f is the focal length, right? So I said you how you write magnification here. Magnification will always m is equal like v2 minus v1 upon u2 minus u1, magnitude you have to put here, right? Correct. So let's put, first let's write, look here, what is u1 and u2 and what is v1 v2? Let me explain once more, okay? Look here, that distance, this end distance from the pole we call as what, u1. What do you call it, what, u1. The other end which is here, that distance, let's call it what, this was u1 distance, that calls what, u2 distance. The first and last point of that your linear rod which is placed like longitudinal way, we calculating that, we call them as object distance. Suppose 2 point objects are placed, one are placed here and one placed here, right? So u1 and u2, same way we have to find image distance, that is what your v1, that's what your v2, correct? Okay, so these we have to calculate now. So let's try to calculate now. Look here, u1 you can calculate, u2 already you know. What is u2? Watch carefully. What is the distance of this point, last point? That's what your 2f itself. So this is what 2f. Then what is u1? u1 also we know. What is u1? That distance is nothing but, look here, length of this rod is given as f by 3, right? This is what, 2f. This is 2f minus f by 3. So 2f minus f by 3, that's what your u1. Okay, so this becomes 6 minus 1 is what, 5 by what, 3 of what, f. Okay, both object distance we know, so your u2 minus u1 also we know, correct na? So you see that if you want to calculate here, when you say u2 minus u1 is what, that will be simply what, 2f minus 5 by 3f. Actually you should understand that u2 minus u1 is simply length of the your rod itself, length of your object itself. Still if you want to calculate, you will get same answer, only f by 3. Okay, you know, means object length already we know actually. Yes. Okay, now look here, we want to find what is v1 and what is v2. Okay, let's see, that distance is called what, v1. v1 also you know what, directly 2f, correct only na? v1 also you know as what, 2f. Now look here, we want to calculate v2. v2 you want to calculate, this is unknown. So for this you will write your mirror equations. Let's write mirror equation. You say that 1 by f is equal to what, 1 by v plus 1 by u, correct? Okay, focal length is focal length 1 by f only, like, okay, write this formula like this way, f v2 u2. Now it's more clear. Okay, you write in this equation for last point, u2 v2 and what, f is f only. Okay, and what you have to do here, you have to put what, sign convention also. Whenever you write these equations or magnification anything, always write with sign convention. Okay, so focal length for this mirror is what, negative minus f. v2 we want to calculate, yes you want to calculate, plus u2. What is u2? Already we calculate, u2 is what, 2f. No, I said little wrong, I think. One second. Actually I just wrote this opposite. Listen carefully. Suppose this end you call as a end, this end you call as b. Then image start from here, means this end will be your a days and that end will be your b days, correct? Okay, so if you confuse here, suppose ua, I write like symbol, this distance I am calling what, ua. Okay, 1, or that distance what, 2f only, and this I am calling ub. That's okay. Now actually what will change, v1 means what, your ua is what, means that point is formed here or itself, they are touching each other. Okay, now we want to calculate actually vb, let's say vb, okay, or v2. So what will change, this is okay, you can call it vb or ub, whatever. Now look here, this is okay, v2 we want to find or vb we want to find. So here ub, so ub value is actually what, this much you have to put. Okay, 5 by 3 f. You can write u1 u2 also, no problem. I just wrote this value as opposite, that's all. Okay, this was mistake. Okay, and this you finding, and object distance what, again negative here because object placed on this side, so this also what, negative. So let's find 1 by vb, 1 by vb, so minus 1 by f. This time I am sending on the other side, become positive, that becomes 3 by 5 of what, f, correct? This is negative, I send on other side. So if you take 5 LCM here, so I wrote a little wrong here, it should be what, f down. Okay, okay, so what is the answer, 5f you took LCM, f goes 5 times, minus 5, this goes 3 times, so it becomes what, minus 2, correct? Or vb should be equal to what, 5f by 2 and minus, so minus 2.5 of f, that's what your answer. So you see that object distance is coming what, negative, yes, because image is formed, sorry, image distance coming negative, so image is formed on this side also, yes, correct only. Okay, now you want to find what is like image length, means v2 minus v1 or vb minus va, whatever you want, right, this one. So look here, this is what, just you have to take what, magnitude only. Okay, minus, so minus 2.5 f, okay, magnitude, and where is initial, what is VA? I wrote somewhere VA is here what, to minus 2f. Just you take note sign tell you that in which direction the image is formed, just magnitude only will take here, so that becomes 0.5 of f, correct na? Now this is your magnification, m will be what, 0.5 of f, and your object, where is your object length, that's given what, f by what, 3, correct? Okay, 3 goes up, so you are getting f against, you are getting simply 1.5. So your image is what, magnified by what amount, 1.5. So image size will be what, 1.5 times the object size. Okay, yes. So once more, if you confuse in this question, what we do, this you start, you call it 0.1 or u1 distance, that's u2 distance. If So V1 will be what here, touching this U1 itself, right? That will be what your V2, or I am writing that B dash, right? So object distance is generally already we know U1, U2 can write, and V1 also you know, V2 you have to write. So for V2 you have to write your equation, right? Okay. Then what's important here, when you find here magnitude only you have to find, okay? So don't put sign convention here, okay? That was question number 3. Let's move to next question. Question number 4, okay? So I am doing it here. Look here. Question number 4 says that a beam of light converges towards a point O behind a convex mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. So now we are doing for a convex mirror, okay? Focal length given, find the nature and the position of the image if the point O is 10 centimeter behind the mirror and 30 centimeter behind the mirror. So they said your light is what, converging towards a point what, A, O, and they said it's a convex mirror. Look here first, let's draw a convex mirror. Question number 4 you are doing, this is called your convex mirror, okay? Then what is given? Focal length given, f given. We know that this mirror has what, a positive focal length always, 20 centimeter, this is given. And they said what have, that beam is converging, okay? Beam is converging to some point. Find the nature and position of the image if point O is 10 centimeter behind the mirror. So actually point O is given what, somewhere here behind the mirror, means case 1 object distance is given how much, 10 centimeter, okay? This much given, and behind the mirror means should be positive because light come like that way, you know, right now we always assume that's positive direction, okay? So look here, we know convex mirror always make a virtual image only, right? Always virtual image. So let's write formula for this case. So you say 1 by f should be equal to what, 1 by v plus 1 by u, correct? Okay, let's put sign convention. Focal length for this mirror is what, positive, yes, and object distance given behind the mirror means positive also, and v we have to find, okay? So let's find what is focal length given, 1 by 20 is equal to what, 1 by v plus 1 by 10. So this is your answer, 1 by v should be equal to what, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10, correct? Okay, so this becomes what, your 20 to LCM, 20 goes one time, this goes to so minus 1. So v we getting as what, minus 20 centimeter. So virtually an object is placed here, virtual object, okay? Then it will make an image on what, somewhere here on this side. Sorry, I said little wrong, yes, correct only, okay? Because image distance is coming what, negative, means image is found on this side. That side means what, positive, this side means what, negative. So if you put a virtual object here, real object you cannot put here behind the mirror, you know. So virtual object is placed here, then image will be formed on this side, right here. Okay, then one more case is given here, right? What is given? They said that second case, if is placed at 30 centimeter behind the mirror. Second case, that object is placed what, 30 centimeter, and again behind the mirror means here only. So everything remains same only, calculation will just change, same answer only, this formula only. Focal length is positive, object distance also positive, image distance we want to calculate. So focal length is 1 by what, 20, image distance we want to calculate, and object distance given 1 by 30, correct? The same way only, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30, 60 you take LCM, 20 goes 3 times, 30 goes to, so 1 by 60, right now this is coming 1 by 60 and minus 1 by 60, so v is coming what, minus 60 centimeter. So again image is formed on this side itself, correct? Yes, and this mirror always make a virtual image, as you know, right? Okay, so this was your fourth question. Let's move to the fifth question. Question number 5. Okay, this says the focal length of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter. Focal length is given, concave mirror given. What should be the where should be an object placed so that image is 3 times magnified, real and inverted? Look here, they said clearly, concave mirror given, this is mirror given, and they said focal length is given, f given 30 centimeter, right, given, and they said where should an object should place so that image is 3 times magnified, real and inverted. Means magnification given you 3 times, and said real image means m is given minus 3. Clear? Okay, so let's write. So they are asking where is object distance, so directly you can find, because you know focal length, you know m. So instead of writing this equation of motion, finding image distance, then you write magnification formula, directly you should write f upon what, f minus what, u, that's all. Let's put sign convention. Okay, m is given what, -3, because real image. Focal length for this mirror is always negative because light goes like that way, and this is a focus, so measuring focal length like opposite to what, light, so always negative, -30 and minus u. So from here you can find, it's going to be like, you can cancel them, so you get -90 minus u is what, 30. So u is equal to -120, u becomes what, minus yes, 30 centimeters. That's all. Okay. No, I am getting little wrong answer. Why? My calculation went wrong here, I think. Look here. Yes, what is given? Image, sorry, focal length given 30 centimeters. They are asking what is the yes, object distance only. They are asking, so correct only. To get -3. Okay, this also -3. Okay, I am cancelled them here. So this becomes what, -90 minus 3u. Okay, this mistake I did here. I just wrote here u only. Is -3u is equal to what, 30. Okay. Yes, so 3u will be equal to what, 120 minus, so u will be what, -120 by 3, that becomes what, -40 centimeter. So object should be placed in this direction only, somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Now question number what, 6, last question based on reflection concept. Okay, 6th problem. Let's see. They said a virtual image which is 3 times the size of the object is obtained using a concave mirror. Yes, sometimes even they don't say the name, they say like I want to make a virtual image 3 times, and they don't say mirror name. Then remember that if you want to make a virtual image and bigger than the object, then it can be made only by a concave mirror. If you want to make a small image, virtual and small image, small than your object size, then it can be made by what, your convex mirror, right? Okay. So virtual image you want to make 3 times, means your m is given, how much given, +3. Virtual image you want to make, okay, and mirror name they said already, concave, and radius of curvature given to you, r given how much, is given what, 36 centimeter. Radius of curvature or center of curvature is double of the focal length. So from here you can find focal length. Focal length will be obviously should be half of this, 36 by 2, that become what, 18 centimeter, right? Yes. So they are asking that find the distance of object, again they are asking. So let's write same relation again. We know focal length, we know what, magnification. So writing magnification formula, m is equal to what, f upon what, f minus u. Let's put with sign convention. M, virtual image given, so +3 only. Okay, 3 only. Focal length is what, negative, so -18, correct, -18, and u you want to calculate, so you don't put sign convention for u. Whatever you calculating uv, you don't put sign convention for that, that will come in your answer whether it's positive or negative. Okay, so what is this? This is what, -18 times of 3 and -3u is equal to -18, correct? Okay, -3 times of 18 here, 18 goes that side, so one get cancelled, you get a -18 in times 2 is equal to what, 3u. Okay. Okay, 3 goes what, -6 times, so u is coming what, -12, means object should be placed again in this direction only, so that you get a virtual image. You know that, remember, this mirror make virtual image when the object is placed between pole and the focus. By chance you are getting wrong answer, you should verify it. Suppose focal length is given what here, 18 centimeter. So when you put an object between focus and pole, between somewhere here, you get a virtual image. So look, what is your answer coming? Answer is coming 12. Yes, 12 is less than what, your focal length, right? Now that focal length is that distance is what, your 18 centimeter. So object should be placed somewhere between these 2 points, right? So your object distance should be less than what, 18 centimeter. Sometime what happens now? This question you don't need to solve in exam. Suppose they are asking this question, they will write option like this one. They say 20 centimeters, they say like 50 centimeter, they said exactly like 18 centimeter, and one option will give like 12 centimeter. Suppose this question they are asking, then we know that to get a virtual image, the object should be placed between what, focus and pole. So answer should be less than what, your 18 centimeter, means less than focal length. So if only one answer is given from the option, that will be your correct answer, right? Exactly equal means, you know, not possible, right? More than object distance more than focal length also what wrong, correct na? So these were all questions based on what your reflection concept. You should solve all the questions from exercise 1, and if you have any doubt from exercise 1, please put your comment, okay, and let me know. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.